Today we will discuss YouTube SEO. YouTube SEO is very important to grow your channel. It helps your videos get discovered by search engines and YouTube's algorithms. Start the task with keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, vidIQ, Ahrefs, and TubeBuddy for keyword research. Find out what your audience is searching for. Your video title should be engaging and include relevant keywords. Write a detailed description with primary keywords, but avoid keyword stuffing. Use accurate tags to relate your video to search queries and similar content. A professional-looking thumbnail can increase your click-through rate. Make sure it represents your video content well. Engage viewers with a strong hook at the beginning. Encourage likes, comments, and subscriptions during and at the end of your video. Use playlists and cards to promote more of your content. Upload your videos when your audience is most active. This increases watch time and engagement. YouTube SEO is an ongoing process. Apply these strategies consistently to increase views, engagement, and subscribers. Always keep SEO techniques in mind when creating and uploading content.